What is up, guys? This is the Infinix S5 Pro, and the first time I saw this device I was like, no, this has to be an AMOLED screen. And finally Infinix used an AMOLED screen on the S5 Pro. But then I made my research and I found out that for a fact this display right here is an IPS LCD Full HD Plus display. A HD display, also known as 720p, is a display resolution measuring 1280 by 720 pixels, but in smartphones it is slightly higher, measuring about 720 by 1600 pixels. As a result of that slight increase in pixels, it is therefore called a HD Plus display. Also, a Full HD display is a 1080p screen with 1920 by 1080 resolution, but in smartphones, due to the shape, it is therefore increased slightly to 1080 by 2340 pixels instead of 1920 pixels, and for that reason it is called a Full HD Plus display. So you get the idea, and that's the reason why we have this good looking vibrant display on the S5 Pro. It is an upgrade, it is a step in the right direction for Infinix, and I'm really happy about that. For the design, I would give it an average, and some of you may not like this camera module at the back, but I don't really have a problem with it. But I think they could do better with this camera module, and it is a bit weighty, having 195 grams, but it's not the heaviest device we have seen. It's not the best of design, but it is what it is. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and I don't really know how well a 4000 mAh battery can do with this 1080p Full HD Plus display, but that should be a video for another day, so please make sure you stick around so you don't miss out. It runs on Android 10 and Infinix XOS 6. As you can see, there are some changes in the XOS 6 scheme, and its chipset is the Helio P35 chipset, which is an upgrade from the P22 chipset in the Infinix S5. It comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, or 6GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage. Over here we have a triple camera setup, a 48MP main lens, 2MP depth sensor, and a QVGA or low light sensor, and then we have a dual LED flash. For the selfie camera, we have a motorized pop-up camera, which I very much prefer to the punch hole display on the Infinix S5. It is a 16 megapixel lens that is capable of shooting videos at 1080p at 30 fps. Let us test out these cameras. Unfortunately and surprisingly, there's no macro mode on this device, so bear that in mind. Here we go, and boom, the AI cam. Bokeh or portrait mode, boom. Let us take some selfies, and boom. So there's a lot of things going on here. I like the image, it looks good, but it's a bit overexposed. Not so bad, but a bit overexposed. And I like the level of detail on my face, the facial hairs, and most importantly, notice the level of detail right here on my backpack strap. Looks good, right? Yeah, not bad. This is the final image. So what do you think? Leave it in the comment section. The price of this device is about 80,000 naira, which converts to $206. And with that being said, that's all for the review of the Infinix S5 Pro. If you like this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out when we release more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and my name is Peace. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.